Hi, I'm Sandeep Kumar Mathur, working as General Manager Marketing for Heavy Metal and Tubes India Private Limited, manufacturing carbon, alloy, stainless steel, duplex and super duplex tubes and pipes and U-tubes for heat exchanger and boiler applications. We have three production units. Unit 1 and 2, they are located in Bileshwarpura of Gandhinagar district. They are called Unit 1 and Unit 2. Unit 1 is for cold drawing of stainless steel tubes and pipes. Unit 2 is defined for carbon and alloy steel cold drawing units. Then we have a third unit which is a little far, around 18 kilometers from these two units, which is meant for hot finish mother hollow, which is the basic source for raw material for our Unit 2, for carbon and alloy cold drawing. For last 1.5 year, we are using this DataNote application. Previously, we were using Shuffle ERP, which was purely based on Windows software. As DataNote is the latest version, which is based on web, hence we opt for the better version and now started using DataNote. We were using Shuffle ERP for last 7.5 years. As we could not use it remotely, hence we have to opt for the better version, which is in the DataNote, where we can use it remotely, and we have better option to control the system. It took almost 6 to 8 months to educate the team in all our three units, and now we are at a platform where we are usually comfortably or user-friendly system we can working on. The biggest advantage working with DataNote is it is being customized as per our practical flow requirement, system requirement, and it made us helpful to use in a friendly nature to our users and our requirements. We are very regularly getting reports, which is the biggest advantage of this ERP, and repetition of work has been reduced at a certain level, which is saving a lot of time of our users. This helps us to get daily reports, MIS reports on our email as well as on WhatsApp, and this made us comfortable to use our software in a better way. DataNote ERP helped us a lot in controlling the inventory as well as the production cost, which help us in a financial control. DataNote has helped us in using multiple formulas, which is a basic part of our product line. Being a tube and pipe manufacturer, there are a lot of formulas which are involved in calculation of the product at the time of submitting the quotation, the production. With this DataNote software has helped us to control and execute the things in a better way. Being a tube and pipe industry, there are a lot of multiple processes involved in the production, and DataNote ERP has helped us to control each and every and calculate the material at different level of operations like drawing, annealing, pickling, passivation, etc. etc. Definitely we will recommend DataNote to our friends who can really take use of this software, which is comfortable in many means and a user-friendly software.